back to my channel. Welcome back to another great video. So in today's video I'm gonna cook some plant dumpling, some tin mackerel, and I'm gonna cook some banana, which are some green banana, and I'm gonna boil some corn. And this is the Alaska jack mackerel. So I think I'm gonna use today. But before me even start do anything, I'm gonna use some green plantain to make the plant dumpling. So first off, I'm going to peel the plantain. After I done peel the plantain, I know the next step I have to wash off it. And then I go grate it. So I always ensure that whatever fruits or vegetable I'm using, make sure I wash them all before even use them, because they are trafficking through a lot of hands. So that is the first step, I have to wash them off. And then you know, it's a greater up time. So guys, you know the routine. If for the first time you guys come across the channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload a content you will be the first to be notified. So I use the two plantain then. So guys, if you are going to attempt to make the plantain dumpling, nobody use no ripe plantain, you know, because the ripe plantain not going to work. You have to use green plantain. So the plantain done great now. So I'm going to use the flour. So the two green plantain, I'm going to use 1 pound of flour. But with me, I'm not going to just add the flour in the plantain. Guys, I always try to sieve my flour, because I don't know what go on in it. So I'm going to sieve it, make sure they say alright. So I'm going to sieve out the flour. So I done sieve off the flour. So I'm going to just add some salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to just combine both the plantain and the flour together. Mix them in before actually adding in any water to it. So now I'm going to just drop small bit of water. So the small bits of water, because you know, add too many water one time and then go spoil the flour. Guys, I'm going to add some salt in my pot, and I'm going to put in the corn and go and boil before adding the flour. Now hit. So I'm going to check on here now and see what I go on. So I'm going to add in a bit of salt, 1 spoon of salt, no, not more than that. And I have the corn and I wash them off in some clean water. Just add them in the pot, then stay there go and cook. Then next up, I go add in me plantain dumpling. So guys, this are the plantain dumpling, right? Water boil up, so we are gonna make some little dumpling now. And add them in. I make some little neat dumpling because I don't like dumpling big. Little neat dumpling. And just drop them in, make them go and cook. In the meantime, you know, for me, drop in the dumpling them. Next thing me I go do a peel the banana. So now me I peel the banana them, but me have them in some water and me add some cooking oil in the water. So the cooking oil I go help for the banana them not change color or even help for not stain up my hand. So I'm just mark them gentle before peeling them. So this is my way of peeling the green banana. Some person use vinegar, but me I use cooking oil. Just go through, just gentle, mark them around before peeling them. So that's my way, as I said early on. And guys, as me always say, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload the video, you can receive the video and share the video with your mother, your father, and your sister, brother, everyone. So I'm peeling now and just take off the extra part of skin off of it. And I go through and just do all of them just the same. So the dumpling and the corn cook for over 30 minutes now. And I go add some cooking oil. Now hit. And the reason why me I add the cooking oil, when me add in the banana now go change color, nor the food now go change color. So banana them pretty soft, so I give like 5 minutes. I give like 5 minutes. Banana and the food upon the fire I go and finish cook, but me I go and cut up the seasoning. So I have onion, scallion, sweet pepper, tomato. Cut up already. So I'm going to use some scotch bonnet pepper, some green scotch bonnet pepper, just to add a little bit of spice in a hit. I'm going to use one piece of thyme. And I use 2 cloves of garlic in a hit also. Now check on the pot, guys. So the banana them done cook, everything done cook. So you know, say, I take off here now, put it right side. I'm going to cook up the tin mackerel them now, so I chop up the season them already. So I just put on the pot on the fire now. Now me I go fry up the season, and I go add in the scallion, and garlic, hot bunny pepper, tomato, onion, sweet pepper, piece of thyme. And I'm gonna saute them up for a minute. Before adding the mackerel. The tomato, the sweet pepper and the onion with it before I add in the jack mackerel in it. The vegetable done saute up, and I go add in the Roscoe jack mackerel. Add in 2 tins of Roscoe jack mackerel. And I go add a little bit of about a spoon of all-purpose season. So I'm just break them in 2. I got this. So that I hit, guys. So you know, say me have to taste it, cause me I cook it today, so me have be the first one to taste it. That one tasting good, you can taste it. Scotch bonnet pepper, so garlic, everything, you can taste the herbs, the spice. Everything tastes good. Pot done cooked, guys, as you can see it for yourself. You know, say the best part about cooking this, eating, eh? So, guys, I want to say big thanks to the cameraman, which is my nephew, Tajwe and White, behind the camera, who make the thing possible for you. Just big him up in the comment section, guys. Guys, this is a hit here now, and the video will come to an end, and please watch the full video, guys. Support the movement, share the video, and also welcome to all new subscribers to the channel. Big thanks, appreciate our comment, sharing the video, watching the video. Keep on shubbing, guys, because we're shubbing to at least 100k subscribers. Guys, we come to the end of the video, and this is my plantain dumpling, boiled banana, boiled corn, and tin mackerel.